So around 8 months ago, Instagram launched IGTV, and honestly, it's been trash. It's been kind of pointless. Everybody posts their videos like this way, so you have to switch over the screen, and it's mostly reposted YouTube stuff. It just hasn't been good until recently. It's been lit. So back in February, Instagram announced that it would start showing IGTV videos on the Instagram feed, and all of a sudden IGTV went from this irrelevant thing that got you like 0 views to something that can get you tons and tons of views, get your content exposed, and actually grow your following really fast. So one of the most popular Instagram strategies is like the most obvious one, post content every single day, which is already hard. But now in 2019, 2020, the strategy, if you haven't noticed already, is post IGTV videos every single day, just like YouTube. This is the platform that they're promoting. The problem is, it's kind of hard to create content for IGTV, let alone just be on your phone and schedule it every single day. So what I did is I went and I found a way for us to automatically schedule our content in advance and automatically post it to IGTV. Now, with what I'm about to show you, what you can do is repost old YouTube content, repost old video content, find viral content, whatever you want to do, you're going to be able to sit down on a Friday or the beginning of a month and just schedule out IGTV content every single day of the month. And trust me on this one, trust me, your Instagram is going to skyrocket because of this. People have been taking crazy advantage of IGTV. As of right now, there's no other way to schedule IGTV content automatically, according to my Google search. I mean, I Googled it and I couldn't find it. So I'm gonna be teaching you how to schedule your IGTV post automatically. All right, so the software we're going to be using to automatically schedule and post our IGTV videos is called Jarvee, and I'm going to leave a link to that in the description, and it's for a free trial, so you can check it out. But I got some bad news, it's gonna break some hearts. This program is for Windows only. But Bobby, you're obviously using a MacBook, so what's up with that? Well, I use something called a VPS, which basically means I can run Windows programs on Mac, and I'm going to be leaving the link to that in the description as well. So what you're going to do is you're gonna load up all of your IGTV videos on your computer, and you're going to open up Jarvee. Jarvee is a social media automation program. What's that mean? It automates your social media. Whatever you can do on your Instagram, you can schedule through this program and do. That means follow, like, view stories, schedule your posts, everything you can do on here. So you're gonna open it up, you're gonna go to social profiles, and it's this simple, just follow these exact steps. Click on add profile, type in your information, log it in, then go over to destination lists and click add destination list. This means we're telling this program where we're going to post our IGTV videos to. So if you have 5 Instagram accounts logged in on here, you can post an IGTV video to all of them, which is really cool if you have a business and a main account, but that's besides the point. Anyway, so you're gonna click add destination list, and you're going to put the name of it, and then you're going to select, let's just make a new one right here, destination list 2, fine. Boom, destination list 2, we're gonna click on it, and then we're going to add the accounts that we want this destination list to post to. So I only have 1 account logged into this Jarvee, so only 1 shows up. And then we're gonna make sure to click wall and profile right there. That's really important. And then we're gonna go over to campaigns, click, and we're gonna add a campaign and add a scheduled campaign. And let's just call this the Influencer CEO IGTV, just to be nice and neat. And what we're going to do is we're click on advanced settings. And because right now this is scheduled to post like Instagram posts, but we don't want that. We want to post IGTV. So if you don't do this step right here, it'll just post your video as a post, not IGTV, if that makes sense. So we're going to go over to Instagram and click Instagram post on IGTV. And this is also where you can choose to post, to schedule stories and posts through Jarvee, which is super cool. So we got that. Now what we want to do is we want to go on where to publish, and we want to make sure to click our destination list. There you go, right there. And then we want to go to what to publish, and we want to add in our video right here. So here's my video. I'm going to add it in, and it is loading right there. And now you can see that this is where we're going to type the message or the description that we want in our IGTV. And this is where we're going to put the title. And something important to remember is that IGTV videos have titles, so you need to put in a title. So this title will be my IGTV, and then my message will be, you know, this is my video. Super boring. But remember too, you could also leave links in your IGTV video. So, you know, type in some links right there. If you have something, that's a major upside of IGTV, clickable links, no matter how many followers you have. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna wanna add the time. So let's say I wanna post this Monday the 13th at 7 a.m., close it, and then we're gonna click add to post list. And now we can see post list right here, and it's telling you when it's gonna publish it. It's gonna publish it on the 13th at 8 a.m. It is good to go, and now we can go back and we can just keep adding posts right there and scheduling it out. And then when we're done, just go to campaign and then click start. And that's it. That's how you schedule IGTV videos in advance using an Instagram automation software called Jarvee. Once again, there's a free link to that in the description. So, I mean, that's it. I mean, make sure you're subscribed and you're liked and you're followed to this station right here, this channel right here, because we post daily content on really cool stuff like this, on how to dominate Instagram using social media automation, as well as organic growth tips and strategies, and my experience as an Instagram agency owner. So I want to know, what do you guys think about IGTV? Is it a dud, or is it something you should actually be investing into? Like, knowing Instagram's track record, do you think that IGTV will be here in 3 years? Let me know in the comments. Make sure you're followed me at the Influencer CEO. Send me a DM, ask me some questions. I love to chat, and I always answer my DMs. Talk to you guys next time.